How to add images to Hostinger website builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple it is to add an image or multiple images into your Hostinger website builder. So the process is going to be very easy. You are going to head over hostinger.com, sign in for an account within the platform, and then you're going to see the Hostinger panel or the dashboard. So from here, we're going to select at the left side of the screen from this menu, websites. And here we have this drop down menu. We are going to select from it websites list. Now we are going to see the properties of the websites that we have. So basically, you are going to select the Hostinger website that you have, which is going to be represented with this icon and not a W icon. So we are going to click on edit website and it will open up the website right away. Now, what we're going to do is to wait for the website to load up. It is going to be very fast, believe me, because we have here some of the best website builder that I have tested till now. Now, we're going to have everything or each one of the elements set up as you can see in here. Now, we are going to have an image added like this one or these ones. I'm going to start by adding a empty section or here a section like this. I'm going to click on add or add section, add a blank section, and we can add the elements or the images from the elements. You're going to click on here on this specific plus circle rounded button. And here we have two choices. Either you are going to add one image or gallery of images. I'm going to show you here the two options. I'm going to add an image and you're going to have it like this. You can control that image height, length, and also width. Or also you can go ahead and duplicate that image and put a gallery as you like from here. Or you can go ahead and add a gallery and you're going to see a lot of images that you are going to see them grouped in a 8, I think, image case. So we can go ahead and make it wider or make it a little bit narrower. So it is going to be just like that. And each one of the images is going to have a specific position, and you can manage that position by changing the numbers in here or drag and drop in the first and the second until the eighth images. It is not going to be here only to put 8 images. You can add here tons and tons of images or unlimited number of images by uploading some files, images, AI images created, documents, and etc. So that was the first option. And the second option, now also you can add here a section or modify the section that we have by adding an image to that section and put an image to this specific section. So we are going to have here the image integrated in this section. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.